Let's see how to make multiple words bold at once in Microsoft Word. First off, you want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, the first step is, of course, selecting the text that you want to change into bold. So let's go ahead and select our text. Now, to select multiple text, simply hold the Control tab on your keyboard, Control button, and double click on the word that you want to select. Now, for example, you want to select these words. Make sure you're holding down the Control button as you're clicking all of these words. And now that we've selected all of these words, we can go ahead and change them into bold by either clicking on the B icon right here or by simply pressing Control B on our keyboard. And as you can see, we have instantly changed all of those words into bold in our document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.